Hi, my name is Trevor Porter, and I'm a dendroclimatologist. In many regions of the world, climate strongly influences tree ring growth, and this relation allows tree rings to be used as an indirect measure of past climate. Recent warming in high latitude areas has strongly impacted northern ecosystems and communities, and a major uncertainty is how the Arctic climate system will continue to evolve in the future, which will depend in part on natural climate variability. Natural variability is not well understood in high latitude regions due to the short duration of most instrumental climate records. However, long tree ring series provide an opportunity to extend our knowledge of climate further back in time. My IPY research examines tree rings for more than 800 white spruce trees in Old Crow Flats, northern Yukon. The relations between climate and tree ring growth were characterized, and this has provided new insights on the value of this species as a natural climate data archive in northwestern North America. For more information on this research, please visit my website at tjporter.webs.com.